Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in the dining room.
Hi.
And I have my helper again and she wants to say hi. So today is Wednesday, November 6th, and it is day number 13 of the Fly Ladies Cruising Through the Holidays missions. And on Wednesday it is Anti-Procrastination Day in the Fly Lady system. So again, you can use whatever day of the week you want, but it's fun to just pick a day of the week that you say, today is the day I'm going to get done those things that I've been putting off or I just haven't quite gotten around to doing, even if it's just a 5-minute task. So, and the other thing is our mission for today is to get online and order any of those gifts that you've been meaning to order, anything that you can get ordered now. Let's jump online and get it done, or make the phone call and get it done, however you want to place the order, but get those gifts ordered. That way they'll be coming in soon and you can plan on having plenty of time for shipping. You're not going to be paying expedited shipping. Lots of time to wrap, lots of time to figure out what you still need. So get that list out from your holiday control journal and we'll get your items ordered.
And goodbye.
And goodbye. We'll see you tomorrow for another video. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe.
That tastes like zombies.
We're going through the Halloween candy. And hit the like button if you're enjoying the series.
These are what they look.
And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
These are what they look like.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Looks good. Bye-bye.